Welcome to the interactive floor plan tool offered by Red Door Homes. This complimentary feature can be accessed on our website by selecting your preferred floor plan for your desired area. After scrolling through the photo gallery, look for the Personalize Your Exterior option on the left side of the screen. This tool allows you to customize numerous exterior elements of your home, including but not limited to door style, roof colors, brick or siding finishes, and shutter design. Although this customization feature is not available for every floor plan, it serves as an excellent resource for envisioning your home's appearance, as most homes offer the same color options. Keep in mind that additional customization choices exist beyond what the software displays, and the images are computer rendered, so your actual home may differ from what you see here. Currently, I'm customizing a blue Lexington 2 model to show you an example. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below and share what color combinations you would select for your own home. When you're satisfied with your design choices, simply click Save My Design to have your selections emailed to us. You will also have the option to print your design and bring it to your design appointment. Since the exterior of your home represents a significant portion of the design appointment, we encourage you to explore this tool ahead of time. If you'd like to make any adjustments, we can always modify your choices during the appointment itself. Thank you for choosing Red Door Homes, and we look forward to working with you on this exciting project.